The JSON move function moves a value from one location to another in a JSON document. JSON string is a string representation of the JSON document. From is the JSON path from where the value will be copied from. To is the JSON path where the value will be copied to. This function is only available in Turbo Integrator. In this example, I am defining a JSON document that includes an array called source, containing one object with fields such as address, user, and port. The JSON move function is then used to move the value from the address field in the first object of the source array to a new location in a different array called target. This effectively relocates the address field from the source object to the target object, creating the array target with one field, address. Finally, the updated JSON document is written to a file named moved.json. First, I create a JSON document and store it in a string variable named sJSON_source. This JSON document only consists of one array called source. It contains one object with fields address, user, and port. I move the address from the source array to an array called target using the JSON move function and store the result in a string variable named sJSON_string. Since the original JSON document didn't have a target array, it will be added. Finally, the variable sJSON_string is exported to a file named moved.json. Let's run the process and then view the JSON file. After executing the process, the JSON file will look like this.